Hello guys, so in today's video I'll be sharing with you 3 stocks that I am looking to trade for the coming week. You can use these stocks for both intraday and swing trading. I'll be breaking down the complete analysis for you, so make sure you watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first stock that caught my attention is Century Textile. So if you observe Century Textile in weekly time frame, what can we see? We can see that this stock had been trading below this zone, okay, the zone of 550 to 650. It was trading below this zone for more than 20 years, and now recently it has given a breakout, all right, which makes it a very good trending stock. Now if you just go to the daily time frame, what can you see here? We can see that after a very good uptrend, this stock was stuck inside this zone and was trading inside this zone, and finally it has given a breakout from these zones with good volume. So I personally feel that once it breaks this level with volumes, it can continue the uptrend. Okay, and another thing that adds to our confirmation is in the weekly time frame we can also see the formation of a bullish engulfing pattern. So this adds to our confirmation. Now if you are a swing trader, then what you can do is you could try entering at this point somewhere here with a stop loss below these levels and keep an open target. Maybe this could be the first target and second target could be open. If you are an intraday trader, then you could go to hourly time frame and look to trade between these levels. So this is the first stock that looks interesting to me. Now moving on with the second stock that caught my attention, which is Radico. Alright, so let's start our analysis with weekly time frame again. So here also we can see a similar structure. This stock has had a huge rally after the corona crash. We can see that during the early 2021 it broke the all-time high of 485, and since then the stock has almost doubled, and as of now it's trading at its all-time high of around 1200. So if we just go to the daily time frame, what can we see? We can see a similar structure. After a very good uptrend, it was forming a pattern like this, alright, and it has finally given a breakout. Now this is what we call as the bullish flag pattern. Okay, the stock gives a very good uptrend and then forms a triangle pattern, now gives a breakout. So this looks interesting to me. Now the other thing that caught my attention is the volume. Just look at the volume here. So these were the average trading volumes, and you can see that as soon as the stock gave a breakout, we can see huge spike in the volume. Now this makes it look very bullish, and I personally feel that this stock can perform really good in the coming days. Now as a swing trader, what I would do is I would try to enter at these levels and keep my stop loss somewhere below. My first target would be at least at my 1:1 or 1:2. The rest of my positions I will keep on holding it. Okay, so that is what we can see here. So in this example also we can see that after the stock gave a break from 500 levels, it has been rallying continuously. Okay, so we can always keep an open target and we should keep trailing our stop loss, and that is what I am planning to do with these stocks. Now if you want to do intraday trading, then what can you do? Now since you know that this stock can give a good uptrend, meaning that you can always go to lower time frames like hourly and look for level breakouts. Okay, you can look for level breakouts and or simple pattern breakouts and trade them. Now moving on with the last stock that caught my attention is Marel Overseas. So let's start again with the weekly time frame analysis. So here this stock also we can see a similar structure. We can see that this stock had made an all-time high of around 75 rupees in 1999, and it has never reached that level again, but recently finally it has given an all-time high breakout after this recent rally. And if we just go to the daily time frame, what can we see here? After a good rally, a similar structure again. So we can see that it has been accumulating inside these levels for a really good time, and finally it has given a very good breakout. Now I was observing when this gave a breakout here, but after I saw this next candle, you could see that there was a huge red candle with good volumes. I avoided it, and now it's again giving an entry opportunity. I personally think that the buyers who entered here might have got stopped out, and so now this stock can perform well. Okay, other than this support resistance levels, we can also see these triangle patterns also, but they all convey the same thing, which is the stock looks bullish, and I personally think that this can perform well. Now again, this is a small cap stock, so there is always a risk associated with trading these small caps, but Yes. So these were the stocks that looks interesting to me and I'm looking to trade them. Let me know your opinion in the comment section, and if you liked this video then make sure to subscribe to the channel for more such content, and I'll see you next time.